Bruce Needham Helicopters, the original pioneer of helicopter flight seeing from Kauai's sunny southwest side, allowing you to take off into the Waimea Canyon on a tour of timeless proportions. While exploring Kauai's unseen beauty, your pilot shares with you the island's lore. Bruce Needham Helicopters offers the most personalized tour you can get, featuring a complimentary photo, two-way communications with your pilot, stereophonic headsets, auxiliary audio jack for your video camera to capture forever the experience that is Bruce Needham's.